Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's Leah with skinBEAUTIFUL RX, and today we are back to talk about 3 products I tried to live without and I just can't. I am a creature of habit and I use a lot of the same products. I have very sensitive skin, very reactive skin, so when I find a product that I love, I tend to stick to it. However, there are a few things I do like to mix it up, and now I'm kind of circling back and realizing, oh my gosh, I miss this product so much. I'm really excited to tell you what these 3 products are. Now, really quick, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to have you here. I would just love if you subscribed, and I'm here every Sunday. I'm Leah. I own skinBEAUTIFUL RX. It is an online medical grade skincare store, and I also own a spa and retail store in Columbus, Ohio. So if you are ever in the area, I would love for you to come in, grab a coffee, and we can talk skin together. So please drop by if you're ever in the area. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started on 3 products I try to live without and I just can't. The first product, now that I'm in our inventory room, that I am taking with me when I leave to start using again, is the Osmosis Md Catalyst AC11. I credit this product in a lot of my videos, first starting out on helping to heal acne scarring, but it was also phenomenal for skin tightening. 35 soon, and I have noticed, and it is a lot genetic, I have a lot of hooding above my eye. So of course I've always had that, but I did notice, and of course I'll go into the clinical studies later, but I did notice when I used this product how nice and bright and open my eyes truly were. So in clinical studies, this product does help tighten the skin above the eye by 33%. And for a lot of people, they're like, oh, just 33%, but 33% is a lot, especially in an area with heavy hooding. Can you a difference by a third? So I even noticed, which I don't have a lot now, even the crease, like a lot of people, you know, with these really big, beautiful eyes, even have that nice, beautiful crease above their eye. I actually had that, which was really exciting. So really quick, just to tell you a little bit about this product, this is an ascorbic acid, meaning it has already oxidized. It is full of antioxidant protection, and the Catalyst AC11 part of this product, the cat's claw, is your DNA repair. So the cat's claw is really where you're going to get that really big dose of DNA damage healing. So this is a very healing product as well. This claw is great for reducing inflammation. A lot of people take it also internally, not this product. There are supplements with cat's claw in it because it's so great for just repairing DNA and reducing inflammation, which we all really need to focus on. Just like a lot of people, I stopped using it because I was like, oh wow, it's magic. I'm now somebody that doesn't have hooded eyes, but we continue to age. And that's what I always try to remind people, like, yes, if you stop using a product, you will continue to see the benefits, but our skin naturally continues to age. It's part of the process, and you will start to have those same issues because it's in our genetic makeup. So I'm one of those people too, and I've realized, okay, well, it's time for me to go back to the Catalyst AC11. So grabbing my second product, I just realized that all of the products today are featured eye products, so that's kind of fun. But the next product is Revitalash. Now, I have used probably every single lash product on the market. Same with eye products. I am like a huge fiend for eye care, eye products, and Revitalash will be going home with me today. If you've watched any of my recent videos, you knew obviously I had lash extensions put on, and I just couldn't keep up with it, and the retention for those for me were just, it was really bad, and I just thought every other week getting lash extensions was a little excessive. So I'm like, you know what, let me just start my Revitalash again. I had been using the NeoLash from NeoGenesis prior, and it has made my lashes so thick. So if you're looking for a lash product, because I get this a lot, like if you are happy with the length of them, but it's more so thickness, and I'll link down the NeoLash because I much prefer that for thickening the shaft of the hair. But for me, now that I look completely bald without lash extensions, I'm going to reach for my Revitalash because I do find that it does do better for lengthening the lash. hair growth come in, you do feel it. So don't let that deter you from using a product. Now, if you're red and inflamed, itchy, that's a problem. But I always like to remind people, you do feel when those new lashes start to sprout. So just keep that in mind when you start using a lash product if you're new to them. So Revitalash uses a mixture of peptides, amino acids, and plant extracts to just help your natural lashes not only grow, but they make the lash stronger. So if you're prone to lashes that break really easy or fall out a lot, this product will not only help to lengthen and strengthen them, well, actually, yes, it will not only help to lengthen them, but it'll help to strengthen them. So that's really important too, especially for me right now where I've had lash extensions. It does make them very weak, having that glue on there. So having a product that's great for strengthening the lash as well is why I'm reaching for the Revitalash right now also. So again, you'll be able to watch over the next 6-8 weeks my lashes transform to completely bald to nice, beautiful, strong, and long lashes. So it'll be exciting for you guys to be a part of that for me, so you can see how great this product does work. The last product, again, that I cannot live without, and you guys know I love eye creams. Well, we moved here to Columbus from the East Coast, I want to say 6 years ago, and I'm still not done unpacking. I know that sounds terrible. I'm busy, but I was just unpacking the other day and I found 2 products that I brought from the East Coast 6 years ago. Needless to say, they needed to be thrown out, but it reminded me like, oh my gosh, I have not used this in so long and I love it so much. And I just ran out of my current eye product, and it was the perfect time because I love this particular eye cream for really all year round, but it's so nice and light on the skin and creamy texture, and it just helps so much with hydrating that I'm excited that I am bringing back the Obagi Elastiderm eye cream. Now, this eye product is probably one of my all-time favorite eye products. Elastoderm has kind of been around forever. You probably have used this product as well and know that it's just such an OG eye product, and it's still so good. Just came off of using a product with vitamin A and vitamin C in it, and now I'm switching it up because I do like when I do switch my products to do while it's still anti-aging, it's a different form and concoction and formulation of ingredients. So it's not just going from one vitamin A product to a new vitamin A product. It's really mixing up those ingredients. And the Elastoderm is kind of known for its bimineral complex. So the bimineral complex is copper, zinc, and malonate. And copper, zinc, malonate is essential for creating and maintaining the health of the elastin, and around the eye it's so important. And I know many people are like, oh, you don't need a separate eye cream. You can, and sometimes you really can, just if you don't have a lot of eye issues, you can bring up some products around the eye. For me, we all know the skin under the eye is much thinner, it's more delicate. So of course, I truly believe you do need a dedicated eye product, just like I think you need a dedicated neck product. So the eye is no different. I treat my eye area very differently than I treat my skin. I make sure it's a dedicated eye product. I do bring, for instance, some of the Osmosis products around the eye because I know they're safe for the eye. They're not exfoliating, they're not too aggressive, because I don't want to break down due to excessive inflammation, I don't want to break down the collagen and elastin that I'm trying so hard to keep. So the Alaskan Eye Cream, because it has that copper, zinc, malonate in it, it's essential and so amazing for keeping the eye area firm, smooth, and bright. So copper and zinc together are really great because with the cross-linking of elastin fibers. For experiencing sagging or elasticity issues around the eye, it's not as firm, you have more fine lines and wrinkles, most likely you're having a breakdown of that network and of the collagen and elastin around the eye area. So copper, zinc, malonate have actually been clinically proven to help keep the structure around the eye and other areas, but in this particular product around the eye, help the production of the elastin fibers and keeping the fibers around the eye nice and tight. It has heaps of antioxidant protection, making it great for AMUs. It has vitamin E, which is why you're going to see such a nice feel, luxurious feel to the product, as well as keeping that eye area soft and supple. In my last video, I think it was my last video, there's not many products that I say are just great for everybody, but this eye product is such a phenomenal eye product, which is one reason I'm bringing it back into my routine, and I'm so excited. So I haven't used a product in like 8 years or a year or 2, I still have products that I just love reaching for time after time. And for that reason, they will always be products that I cannot live without. So excited to bring back into my routine. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.